Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so excited about this happy mail that I just received. This is a box that is specifically for Go Wild. Oh my gosh, and this is by the Fabulous Planner. Now, when I ordered this, she did talk about the items that were going to be in the box, but I don't remember seeing the actual items that were going to be, in here. So it's really a big surprise for me, and it's something I've been really looking forward to getting, and I'm just so excited to open it up and share all of these beautiful items with you. Now, if you are not familiar with what Go Wild is, it is a planner conference. That is right. There are planner conferences, and let me tell you, they are awesome. Now, this is going to be the first time that I'm going to Go Wild. It is taking place in March. I believe it's the 3rd through the 6th. And oh my gosh, I cannot wait to go. It's in Southern California. It's in like Anaheim, right by Disneyland. And yeah, just really, really excited about it. And it will be my second planner conference. I was at a planner conference, my only planner conference. And I was lucky enough that it was held right here in my hometown. And that was the Chicago Planner Conference. And that was actually early in 2020. So before everything got shut down, we had that amazing conference. It was such a great time. Got to meet so many different people, so many awesome planners, and hang out with people that just really get you, like people that love planners, paper and stickers, and pens and all of the things that go along with that. So it was a wonderful time. It was the first time I was at a planner conference, and it definitely was, I don't know, like it was overwhelming. It was at times, because there was just so much going on. It was like seriously overstimulated, but it was amazing. Loved it. And I'm really, really excited about this. So, because I understand that this is like really, really Go Wild. I mean, it's right in the name, right? All right. So here is the beautiful box that was designed. I absolutely love this. The purple is beautiful. And that is like the main color for the event. So it says ready to go wild right here. Awesome. So let's open it up and see what is in here. I love this. This box came in such pristine condition, and this is what it was shipped in. So I'm so happy that it came in like such great condition. Okay, so this is the first time I'm opening this. I promise I did not open this. It looks like the tissue paper got torn, but I could see, like what contents are moving around. But let's see here. Go Wild, Southern California, Fabulous Planner. Thank you for your order. Enjoy. See you at Go Wild. So this is in the box. So I'm not gonna like read it to you. I'm just gonna like pull out the things. Look at this cute little thank you sticker. All right, let's open it up. Oh my gosh, look at what's in here. Oh, holy cow, so many cute things. Oh my gosh. All right, so if you have seen my unboxings before, then I sort of like to scoop things out, take them out of the packaging, so that way you're not getting all that glare and all the crinkling. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to scoop everything out, take it out of the packaging, and then share it with you. I will be right back. All right, so I have everything unpackaged and ready to go. I have my little paper here to refer to. And if this is the first time that you are stopping by my channel, thank you so much for stopping in. I hope you enjoy your time here. I'm Tina, and please subscribe while you're here. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you are new here. I would love to get to know you better. All right, we are starting with a laminated dashboard, and this is awesome. It is a what to bring dashboard. So we've got all kinds of tips and ideas here of what you want to bring to the conference. I love it. The next thing here, we have a journal. I'm so excited to go through this. Look at how cute it is. We've got the llama, no drama llama. Look at the colors, oh, so pretty. All right, so we're gonna open it up here. We've got Go Wild, SoCal Planaheim. this journal belongs to. Let me fill it out. And then we've got before the party. We have a savings tracker, and then we have a budget tracker, which is nice. What I'm most excited about, Go Wild in Southern Cal. Speakers, I'm excited to see, I think that was supposed to be at, little typo there, Go Wild. Table Make gift ideas. Now, if you've never been to a conference before, this is the first time you're hearing about it, there are tables that you sit at, I think it's like the first day. And every conference is set up a little bit different, but each of the tables are always sponsored by some planner shop. So the table will be decked out in all kinds of planner goodies, and you get to take those things home with you. So it is amazing. Like, the swag is supposed to be like crazy that you get. I know when I went to the conference here, the Chicago Planner Conference, I had so much stuff to bring home. It was just amazing. So at the table, it's customary, it's not required to bring gifts for your table mates, and doesn't have to be anything extravagant. It could just be something really small, especially if you're traveling. Like, you don't want to pack a whole lot of stuff that you're going to have to like lug, especially, if you have to fly somewhere. But that is what this page is for. Table mate gift ideas. And then there's roommate gift ideas. So if the hotel that you stay at, if you are having a roommate, you might want to get them something cute. Things I need to buy. Places I want to visit while in Southern California. So beside the conference, like maybe Disneyland, right? All right. Things to do before the party. Packing list. All right, now at the party. Oh my gosh. This is an awesome journal, by the way. Shop Summit Notes. So that's an additional part to the conference. Jen Plans Budget Summit. So these two things are in addition to the conference. I did not sign up for either one of these, but obviously, you could just cover that up with stickers, and you can have 2 journaling pages here. Schedule for Friday. The table I choose was from what shop. Goodies from them. The table mates that you had. And swag bag favorites. Cool. Saturday schedule. So you've got room to write out a schedule for each day here. Notes from session 1, session 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh wow, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then session 11, other notes. And then this is also notes here. And then there's an after the party. Oh, this is cute. Friends I met. So you put their name here, and then their IG handle, and then how you met them. So there's 2 pages there. Oh, there's more. You meet so many people. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Highlight of Go Wild, Southern California. Best takeaway from speakers. Places I visited. My favorite moments. And that is it. And it says here, find journals and more stylish paper goods at Fabulous Planner. Super, super cute journal. I love it. All right, so the next thing I want to share with you is a sticker pack. So, oh my goodness, these are all of the stickers. Wow. All right, I just wanted to get a little bit closer. You could see all the details in here. It's really cute. There's a habit tracker. There's little checklists here that have the checklists, like the part that you check look like Mickey ears. That's super cute. Couple of boxes, Bill Do, some other little boxes with deco in them. Daily highlights, couple of those stickers, cute. And then we've got, let's see, ooh, Disney Day. Planner friends make the best friends. Hashtag planner famous. Table gifts, swag bag, packing list. So cute. And then we've got some days of the week here. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty. The colors are so vibrant. Flight info. And then we've got swag. Hey, I heard that you're a wild one. Places to go. Cute. All right. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. Go wild. This full box here with a couple girls in front of the castle. Wild in Southern California. Go wild. Really cute. All right, now we have some more, and this is more like boxes here. This is like for the week. Some like strip stickers. Oh, look at how cute this one is. So cute. All right, now we've got here planner weekend. Some more full boxes, flight info. Okay, now we've got some girls here and some deco. I like it. Some planner items. And we've got the last page here. So cute. All right, so the next thing I have here is die cut set. And there is a lot here. So let's go through these. So this is cute. Planner friends make the best friends. Then we've got some Mickey ear balloons. This one's cute. Go wild. And then wild. You are wild. I can't make that out. Sorry. Cute animal print. We've got a llama in purple. We've got the Disney Castle, this cute little star. I like this one. Go Wild, Southern California. Go Wild, SoCal, Planaheim. Oh, this is cute. California Dreamin'. We have another star. Hollywood Llama. Something stuck. Don't touch my Go Wild swag. Huh, cute. And then a California Dreamin' with the palm tree. Really cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is so adorable. There is a pen. Look at how cute this is. It says Wild for Disneyland. It's got the Mickey ears. It's purple. It's probably, yeah, twist open. Super cute. I like it. Oh my gosh. And then there's a washi tape. This one's super cute. Also Go Wild in a gold foil. The llama. Oh, cute. Getting wild in SoCal. Oh my gosh, there's different ones. California Dreamin'. Oh my gosh. And that's it. Yeah, cute. Super cute washi. The next thing I have here is this enamel pin, and it says hashtag llama wood. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love that it's in pink. Really, really cute. And then there's a planner charm / keychain. This is adorable. Look at how cute this is. I love this little charm. Oh my gosh, so cute. There's 4 different charms on here. There's a palm tree. There's these cute sunglasses. And then there's the llama. Oh my gosh. And this one does have the little like clip that you can, I think it's like a lobster clip that you can clip on to your keys or a bag or anything like that. Your planner. All right, the next thing I have here is a notepad. Don't forget. So we got a cute llama there. We've got our hearts for our check points, and then it's lined. And this is a pretty generous pad here. All right, I had to make some room because I have this super cute canvas pouch. Look at how cute this is. Don't touch my Go Wild SoCal swaps. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Let's see here. It's the same thing on both sides. It's a really nice canvas. It's got a black hardware zipper here. And ooh, and it's white on the inside. I like when the bags are white on the inside, honestly, because then that way I can see what I have in here. So super, super cute. I love this. It probably fit everything like in here. Oh my goodness. Super cute. Look at that. I could put my little pin on there. I could attach my little keychain or my little charms onto the bag if I want. Oh, so many options. All right, the last thing I have here are introduction cards. So these are right here, these little Go Wild SoCal cards. There are a handful. There's 5 of them. And on the back it says hello, and you would write your name, your Instagram handle, and then a website. And it says nice to meet you. And then you would hand these out to whoever you meet. Now, this is a really, really cute idea. I like this. Most people do like sticker sheet swaps, that type of thing, where you have all of your information on the sticker sheet and you pass that out. When I went to the conference here in Chicago, the Chicago Planner Conference, I did business cards, and I attached like cute little ribbons on there. So let's say you didn't do that, at least you have a few cards here that you could use for that purpose. All right, so this is everything in the Go Wild Fabulous Planner Box. Oh my gosh, look at all of these amazing goodies. I am loving everything in here. Thank you so much for putting together such a beautiful box. And the box itself is going to make like an awesome place to like put memories in there. I love it. Oh my gosh. So this is so pretty. I'm really excited. Now, I'm not sure if this box is still available to purchase or not. I did order it on a pre-order, so I ordered it, like I said, a little while ago, and then, you know, of course, everything came in, and then she shipped them out. So I don't know if she has any more left, but I will definitely attach her shop down below in my description, so you can always find any information down there. If you are curious about anything that I talk about in the video, definitely look down in the description because it'll be down there. And please drop a comment if you have any questions about it. I can answer to the best of my ability. I've never, like I said, I've never gone to Go Wild before, and I am so excited to be going because it's going to be an awesome weekend. Oh my goodness. Let me know if you're going. Drop a comment down below. If you are going, have you been there before? You know, any tips and ideas that you have to share with either myself or with anybody. We would love to hear any tips and ideas from you. So please, I welcome you to drop those down below in the comments. Be sure that you are following me on Instagram at It's a Wonderful Plan, because you will see things there you don't always see here on my YouTube. And please be sure to hit the subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my content. I hope you had some fun seeing all of these goodies from the Fabulous Planner Go Wild box. All right, thank you. I will see you next time. Bye.